On today's episode of Watch JR Go, we try to make this SVX look better. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today we are here in my 1994 Subaru SVX. And while this car may sound amazing and look really good, it's not exactly pretty at this point. The design, classic, I think it'll stand the test of time, but all the paint's peeling because, you know, it's old, it's not great paint, all the clear is coming off. So we're gonna head over to Zach's shop, Snap Restyling, and try to clean it up. You'd think I was the Strad man over here. Well, that's a little better. It's not good, but it's a little better. We are here in Zach's garage / Snap Restyling. Should we just call it Snap Restyling?
Wrap shop. In the wrap shop.
And we've got the SVX. And today we're gonna wrap the roof of this thing matte black to solve all the clear peel. Gloss black. Also, wrapping the roof black will kind of lower it a little bit and blend it into all this black on the glass, and it's going to make the entire thing look lower and sleeker and faster. That's really the key here.
Super fast.
Super fast, even though the SVX it's not super fast. But let's get busy. How's that? Is the liquid ice delicious?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. I'm not a huge zero sugar fan, but it's pretty good.
It's the only one I got.
Yes.
They were going to leave me samples of all the others, but I have a whole fridge full of that since that's what I drink every day.
I like the blue. I like how it's blue.
All right. What's going on, Zach?
Literally accomplishing nothing.
Is that what we're doing here?
Yep.
So our goal here was to smooth the transition between the clear peel and the paint.
But it's not going to work.
Yeah, but it'll help a little bit.
It'll help get rid of some of the big chunks.
Yeah, I think it'll make the wrap look good for what we're dealing with this junk paint. Do you need both of those rags, or you want me to do one?
Wax on. Wax off.
I see. This is an advanced technique that I've never seen before. It looks like you're just moving dirt around really fast.
So we've discovered that this roof has been repainted.
Look,
it's got like clear and paint on the seals.
It was like the worst mask job ever.
Yeah, they probably didn't even try.
All right, well, we're gonna solve it. It's gonna look 100 times better with this gloss black wrap.
Yeah.
I think I just did that and put debris everywhere. Sorry.
I'm like trying not to touch it anymore.
I think we need, like, do you have an air compressor so we can blow it off?
Dude.
Okay, we've got our sanding done, and we used some microfiber towels and alcohol to wipe everything. It should be fully prepped. We did all the seals, opened the sunroof, did around that. Nice and clean. The one thing that would have been nice is if we had a DA, we could have leveled this quite a bit better. But hey, we got it pretty well. You can see most of the edges of the clear are gone here. So that's kind of the big problem. If there's clear peel and you have to lift the wrap and put it back down, it's wrecked. Like, it won't stick back down because the clear sticks to the adhesive and there's nothing to stick to, and then that section of adhesive is trash. So I think we're ready to go. We're gonna roll out some gloss black and get to work.
And stretch.
Ready?
Yep. Pull hard.
Pull it.
As hard as you're pulling.
Yeah, pull harder. Mine is not done, but yours is good.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't know, I've got full power. I've got full strength on it. Sweet. And that's it, we're done gloss black. Let's get out of here. can see, we laid it down in one shot. There were no take backsies on that one. And now we're trimming out all the seals. Of course, we got it laid down super fast without ever lifting it back up again. And the only lifts we're doing are on the rubber seals. We're gently cutting only the vinyl on the rubber seals. So to do that, super, super light pressure, super sharp blade, and then I just follow this with my finger and give myself just, you know, a little gap just like that. And one finger's a guide, the other finger holds the knife, and you can control your distance with your cut there. Here, let me lift this.
Thank you.
And we'll take this all the way back to the edge, lift up the front windshield seal, and wrap under. We used to run a wrap shop together, and now Zach just does all of it. It is technically free all the way around. Sweet. Sunroof is closing. Oh, yeah, I think you're good. As long as we don't open it again for a while. Clean side of the ride here. We're gonna get all our fingerprints off this guy. I like this. I think we have done the SVX a solid.
Yeah.
As good as it was gonna look.
We hooked her up.
Hooked it on up. All right, let me hit my Stradman squeak here. That's actually a lot better. There's not really much squeal to that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'll knock that thing to oblivion. Take it. I was gonna smack it as hard as I could. So now, Zach has somebody coming over to do taillights in on a Corvette. We're gonna stick around for that, and he's having a party later for all the car guys. And we're gonna stick around for that. I mean, what else we're gonna do?
Barbecue, fire pit.
I'm in it in the what else are we gonna do kind of way, but I get what you're saying.
There is a Can-Am Maverick coming.
Tonight?
Yep.
Are we going to play with that?
No comment.
All right, well, that didn't end up taking too long. We didn't think it would. We've done quite a few roof wraps in our days. So, thanks Zach. And thank you guys so much for watching. And please, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Ooh-wee!
She actually looks a lot better.
Way better. You can't tell that all the roof clear is toast. Mission accomplished. Done in a while, Zach?
Lots of things. Hey, let's go start your four-wheeler.
That's what I was going for. Get my quad out. I haven't even seen it since the last video in like December.
I started it like 2 months ago.
Oh, sweet.
I charged it up and started it.
Well, we had the quad running a second ago, and I went and did some wheelies, and we brought it back, and I let somebody else try to ride it, and it won't start. This battery has been in here for like 3 or 4 years, and it's been deep cycled so many times, it's trash. So I guess I better buy a battery. Until then, we're gonna try to charge it, maybe ride it some more tonight. TRX 400, I think it's an 07. It's got this LED bar, the normal headlights, you can switch between them. That's really the only mods, and it's pretty fun. But we have a million people over here. Let's go check it out. So this is Scott's Mazda 3. He is driving across the entire US and decided to stop by to say hi. He watches the channel. So he is rolling out. My SVX is right over there. We just wrapped the roof. Here is Zach's fully wrapped Subaru. This is another Scott's Dodge Charger. And then over here we've got a 5.0 Mustang, another 5.0 Mustang. And back here we have this fleet. There's a SRT 8300, which I love that car. It's so beautiful. Charger, Vet, Challenger, some trucks. And of course Casey's SRT 8 Magnum right over there. So we're gonna go eat. You're catching them on fire? Wow. I'm actually amazed. How's the food gang?
Let's go. Get in there.
I like it. We put my quad on the charger for an hour, and it's running like a champ.
You'll still do them if you just lean back.
Yeah, I just wanted to take it.
You gotta just pull the handle on.
Well, that was a pretty successful day.